And hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to introduce you to one of my favourite pastimes now, which is interval cardio. Interval cardio is simply fluctuating between your two energy zones, which are aerobic and anaerobic as well. And what I want you to do is go on a cross trainer, rowing machine, treadmill, bike, anything basically, anything that gets your heart rate up. I want you to go for 1 minute at a moderate pace and then 1 minute at a really intense pace, or you can increase the resistance during that intense minute instead if that works better for you. Anything you can do to make it tougher for that next minute, anything at all, counts. So 1 minute really slow or 1 minute low resistance, then 1 minute really fast or 1 minute high resistance. Do it continuously for 20 minutes to half an hour. If you really fancy an adventure, go for 45 minutes, and that'll really spice your day up a bit. See how you feel afterwards. You should feel marvellous, but it's a hell of a workout, absolutely brilliant. And in terms of weight loss, it's probably the most effective cardio exercise out there. It really is, it's fantastic. Give it a whirl, and that's all you really need to do for your cardio. And if you want fat loss results and you want to improve your fitness really fast, then it's perfect. Give it a shot, highly recommend it.